Okay?
To the most is Asia. But I need to learn how to be open more, and that's what I'm going to do today.
You know, start getting closer and closer.
Ziegler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Oh!
Muffin, come here. Oh, no. Oh, Muffin, no.
Oh, watch out, kiddo. That hurt, huh?
Come on.
Riley, look at me.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Whoa!
Hey!
No digging.
Hey, no!
Come here. Oh, he's mad. Hi, can I get a drink?
Sorry, he's new.
Hi, I have an appointment today.
He's new. Sorry.
Hi, excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
Oh.
Procurement requirements in the city of Irvine, California. Okay, so procurement is that first section.
Hello. What do I do? Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
Oh. High five. Too slow.
She doesn't want to play right now, Pino. Pino. She doesn't want to play right now.
I gotta get full. So that I don't have shaky videos.
The person I connected to the most is Asia.
Oh, God.
family makes me want to murder people.
So if he tells you anything fucking different, he's a liar and a fucking snake.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it?
Game that Ripley likes to play by herself. I say by herself because no one wants to play with her. It's called I Dare You to Take My Toilet Paper Roll. As I've mentioned before, Ripley is a possessive dog with possessive traits. She likes the act of guarding, she likes the act of possessing things. Note how she's looking around at everybody in the house to see who's gonna come challenge her. The answer's no one, because we don't care. But she is in fact doing this because she enjoys the act of guarding and possessing. Stay tuned to see how I deal with this.